Bullish investors began this year by breathing a sigh of relief after RailVision regained compliance with the minimum bid price requirement for continued listing as per NASDAQ listing rules. Then they signed a binding memorandum of understanding with Sujan Ventures, a division of technology supplier Sujan Group. The collaboration will focus on introducing RailVision's advanced safety systems to India's rail market. Sujan Ventures is to lead local efforts and make initial upfront payments to the company, with additional payments made upon completion of certain milestones, leading to renewed optimism following purchase order for its mainline product from a major Central American freight operator. The order will support a proof-of-concept demonstration of mainline's capabilities in enhancing rail safety and operational efficiency. RailVision is an emerging growth company that develops technology for railway safety and data-related markets using AI-based detection systems for railways, with the goal to save lives, increase efficiency, and reduce expenses for railway operators, resulting in them receiving investments from rail system manufacturers like Norbremsa, and are working with companies like Israel Railways and a US-based rail services provider. Their railway detection system uses cameras and machine learning algorithms to identify potential hazards on or near the tracks and provide early warnings to train drivers, something that is crucial for efficient and safe railway infrastructure for the global economy, and addressing issues related to accidents caused by factors like human error and poor weather conditions. For instance, RailVision points to railway safety and efficiency being uneven across EU member states, with significant economic costs from accidents, citing key factors like braking distance required for trains to stop safely, and highlighting the limitations of human operators in detecting obstacles on the track. With their AI-based railway detection system designed to improve safety and efficiency by detecting and classifying potential obstacles up to 2,000 meters ahead, RailVision claims they have market potential for installation on trains worldwide, outlining the global market for railway technology to be estimated at around $200 billion with steady growth, while the railway aftermarket revenue is expected to reach $120 billion by 2027. Currently, the train vision market has many trains equipped with advanced automated technologies like ATC and ATP to assist operators. ATO covers 5 grades of automation, GOA, from fully manual control to completely autonomous operation. RailVision posits railway companies will gradually adopt autonomous trains, though a full transition requires additional technology development. They explain their obstacle detection system has potential for advancing GOA3 and GOA4, essential for enabling train operators to detect obstacles beyond their braking distance. They're collaborating with train operators and manufacturers to integrate their railway detection systems into various trains, focusing on standalone products that don't require extra equipment. They also mentioned that autonomous GOA4 freight trains already operate in certain regions, like Rio Tinto Australia and Iron Ore Canada, where the company plans to engage and collaborate. The company mainly focuses on the mainline system sector of the railway market, since this system uses AI-based technology to detect potential hazards for train operators up to 2,000 meters ahead of the train. A pilot project with Israel Railways led to an agreement for purchasing 10 mainline systems from them. RailVision also worked with Rio Tinto Iron Ore on part of their autonomous train project, and received a purchase order from a Latin American mining company for 1 mainline system and related services. Another primary focus is the shunting yard system, which is designed to streamline work at railway shunting yards by utilizing AI-based detection technology. External sensor units are installed on either side of a locomotive and connected to a central processing unit inside the train. The system can detect obstacles up to 200 meters away under various weather conditions, providing real-time warnings and recommendations for the driver. It also has the capability to interface with the locomotive's control systems like brakes, but requires stricter safety integrity level certification. The company has completed trials and received orders from clients in Switzerland and the US for their switch yard systems. RailVision targets 3 market segments: locomotives for shunting yards, passenger and freight trains, and collaborating with leading train manufacturers. Marketing strategies involve developing collaborations, leveraging partnerships, investing in advertising, and offering big data services. The company plans to focus on North America, Europe, and Australia due to their analysis of the most relevant countries likely to adopt their technology. Some potential new applications for the company's railway detection systems include predictive maintenance, which would use data from sensors to identify possible infrastructure defects, geographic information systems mapping and updates, allowing comparison of observed data with existing records for efficient updates, as well as big data analysis for providing insights into driver behavior and surrounding conditions to help reduce downtime and improve train synchronization. So far, these applications are at various stages of research and development. The promise of these extra applications, on top of the core selling points of further and more accurate detection, give RailVision confidence they can stand out from competition in the rail industry. Even though competitors like Siemens Mobility GmbH and Fortel PDLT are also using AI for infrastructure monitoring and have extensive track records, resources, and name recognition. RailVision also states the ability to provide real-time alerts gives their system a more advanced and suitable edge for train safety and predictive maintenance. Though one thing all companies in the industry have in common is the need to comply with regulators like the FRA and ERA, which might adapt existing rules or create new ones for autonomous train technology to ensure safety and legal liability standards are met. So watch them regulatory railways carefully. For more on Rail Vision and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.